Hey there, today I'm showing you how the agenda looks like for your attendees. I'm here on the event page and you can see that we have now a new section here on the right. You have the agenda section and also the join event button is on the right side at this moment. Here you can see what sessions are public that the organizer has configured so that the attendees before entering the event can see what's happening and who's speaking on those different sessions. For example, this main keynote is happening live now, and you can see the speakers that are talking during this session. You could also click and get more details as a description. Here on the center page, you can see that you have now these two tabs with the speakers, and you can, if you have a long text, you can go directly to the speakers part and enhance your event description and event page with more information for your attendees. Only the sessions that are public, configured as public, are shown on the event page. So all those that are private, the attendees can only see if they join the event. So let's join the event and see how it looks like inside the event. When I land inside the event, I come to the lobby page, where you can see the agenda here on the right side. It's very similar to the event page, but in this case, we are also showing the sessions that are private, as this workshop A and B. And you can see that we have also another days, 21st of June, 21st here on the 21st of June, we have one more workshop in the morning that was not visible in the event page. Good. When you click, you can see more details of this session. And in case the session is live, like this one, where you have the progress bar on the left and saying that it's live now, you could join directly this session. And while you are in sessions and rooms in different areas of your event, and you want to go back and see the agenda, you can always come here to the left side and see what are the sessions happening at this moment and what are the upcoming sessions on the different areas and also on the different days. Now if you go to the rooms area, you could see here what's happening inside each room. So if I click room B, you can say that there's an upcoming session happening soon here. And at the same time, you can click and see more details about that session. Or in case of room A, you can see the first workshop session that's happening this day, and there's another one afterwards. Great. We hope that this will allow you to enhance your events, give more information to your users, create more engagement, and as always, just let us know your feedback, and happy to improve this feature with your new requirements. Thank you very much and enjoy your virtual events on Veertly.